Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's from the Ivy here again. So I'm back on the screen. I can never left. So today I'm going to be taking you guys to AKWUKE beach in Enugu State, Nigeria. Forget to be working with my friends. Say hi. Hi. Informer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys at the end of the video. And subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to Pamela.
I'll see you guys.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say listen, babe. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing.
Behind the scene. I'll be like bike. You go come out here looking like getting a color. Mama. Yeah. AKWUKE Beach, Enugu State. Going some My joy. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you're welcome.
Okay. Am I from here? I'm from this place. What's there like? What's there about? Like, okay, it's a beach. Who own like Enugu is owned by Enugu State people. Okay. Do people usually come here to stay? Okay. People live here. People that acting film here. Okay, even Funani. Okay. Where are you people? Are people living here? Okay, down side. Okay, is there Enugu North or Enugu South? Okay, thank you. Oh no, you want join us? Can't join. Jesus, God, man, no go follow. Well, I'll be like bicycle, go ride down. It's kind of dark.
Carry now, hold the camera bag.
Thank you. With that silly. Standing. Here is on top of the beach. Like people are actually bathing here, and it's actually a very big place. You see, Fulani people they bathe and they live here. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah. You are feeling catch you. Fear, say fear. Viviano. Jesus. I've been moving from time, no. Oh my God. Take one video me now. Like all the inside of house, no, please and everything.
They go Sahara Desert again. I know they follow there, climb that sand. That sand will be hot.
The more I'm coming, the more it's getting deep.